Struggling to make sense of endless rows of data? Turning those boring numbers into visual charts and graphs is the easiest way to understand your information and impress your team. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and customize beautiful charts in WPS Spreadsheet. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to unlock all the advanced features without paying a premium, I've left a direct link to download WPS Office Pro for free right at the top of the description. Go ahead and grab that so you can follow along with all the best tools. And let's get started. First, open your document in WPS Spreadsheet. The very first thing you need to do is highlight the data you want to include in your graph. Make sure you click and drag over both the column headers and the data values so the software knows exactly how to label everything. Once your data is selected, head up to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Right in the middle of the ribbon, you will see a button labeled Chart. Click on that. A window or drop-down menu will pop up showing you a variety of chart types. You'll see options for column, line, pie, bar, and more. If you are comparing different categories, a column or bar chart is usually best. If you want to show a trend over time, go with a line chart. And if you are showing percentages of a whole, a pie chart is the perfect choice. Click on the type of chart you need, select the specific style you like from the options, and boom! Your chart will instantly appear right on your spreadsheet. You can click and drag it to wherever you want it to live on the page, or pull the corners to resize it. Now, let's make it look professional. When you click on your new chart, you will notice a few small icons appear on the right side of it. You can click the Chart Elements icon. It usually looks like a plus sign, to easily add or remove things like data labels, axis titles, or a legend. If you want to change the colors or the overall look, click the little paintbrush icon to access Chart Styles. Here you can pick from pre-made stylish templates that make your data pop in seconds. If you want to get really specific, double-click any part of the chart to open the formatting menu on the right side of your screen. From there, you can change individual colors, adjust the background, and add custom shadows. And that is how easy it is to turn raw data into professional, easy-to-read charts in WPS Spreadsheet. If this guide helped you out, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And remember, if you want to take your documents to the next level, the direct link to download WPS Office Pro for free is in the description below. Grab it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.